In this video, we shall be looking at area of plane shapes. At the end of this video, you will be able to calculate the area of square, rectangle, triangle. So what is area of plane shapes? The area of plane shape is the amount of space covered by the shape. The space covered depends on the unit. It could be meter squared, kilometer squared, centimeter squared, etc. So let's look at area of a square. Here, this is the square. The area of square with length L centimeter is L multiplied by L. That is length times length. So it will give us L squared centimeter squared. The unit of area is always in centimeter squared, kilometer squared, meter squared, depending on the unit of measure you are given. So example, find the area of the shape below. You have a square which is 2 by 2 centimeter. So how do we find the area? So solution here, we obtain the area of the shape by multiplying the lengths, that is L by L, which is 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, which will give us 4 centimeter squared. I hope you understand that the area of a square is length times length, which will give us 2 by 2 centimeter squared, which is equal to 4 centimeter squared, as we have solved. So also let's look at the area of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle with length and breadth. I told you a rectangle has length and a breadth. It is different from a square. A square has all its sides equal. So we have a square to have all its sides of equal length. So a rectangle is covering a length and a breadth. The length is always the longer side while the breadth is the shorter one. So how do we get the area of this? So area equals length times breadth. That's the formula for area of a rectangle. So I have LB centimeter square. So let's have an example following the formula. So example says a rectangle of 4 centimeter in length and 2 centimeter of breadth. So how do we do this? We said earlier on that the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So here our length is 4 centimeter and our breadth is 2 centimeter. So have the area to be 4 times 2, 8 centimeter squared. I hope you understand that. So let's look at area of a triangle. So a triangle is a 3-sided closed plane shape. It has 3 angles, which gives the triangle its name. So tri means 3. So also, how do we derive our formula? If we check from the area of a rectangle, which is length times breadth, can you see that? Can you see the rectangle? So if I divide the rectangle into 2, what do you see? Here I have 2 right angle triangle from it. So the triangle is half of a rectangle. So I can say half LB. But here we won't be using L and length and breadth. A triangle has height and base. So which will give us 1 over 2 BH. The B is the base and the H is the height. Do you understand that? So the formula for area of a triangle is half base times height. Do you get that? So example now is we have a triangle of 4 centimeter in height and 6 centimeter of base. So how do we do this? So we find the area of the triangle above. Solution. The formula gives half base times height. So when I said our B is base, our H is height. So we have it to be 1 over 2 times our, what was our B? Our base is 6 centimeter and our height is 4 centimeter. So I have 1 over 2 times 6 centimeter times 4 centimeter. So here I have 6 times 4 will give 24 centimeters squared all over 2. So if I divide 2 here, 1, 2 in 24 will give me 12. So I have my answer to be 12 centimeter squared.